Aloha everybody, welcome to Hawaii's Only channel. Today we're showing you how to make your own Uramaki sushi rolls. We will also show you how to make hoso maki rolls, temaki hand rolls, and show you how to put together your own sushi night at the end of this video. This is a full sheet of nori, folded in half to get 2 half sheets of nori. Nori has a rough side and a shiny side. Shiny side will always be on the outside. Rough side will always be facing up. When making uramaki sushi rolls, temaki hand rolls, or hosomaki rolls, it takes practice. So don't get frustrated if you can't get it on your first try. To start this process, pick up the nori in your left hand, rough side of nori facing up. Then with your wet fingers, not too wet, but just damp so that the rice doesn't stick, go ahead and grab a bunch of rice to make a rice ball the size of a ping pong ball, actually a little bit smaller than a ping pong ball. Smash that onto the left-hand side of your nori, like seen here. If you're putting your ingredients like cucumbers or crab or spicy ahi, you would lay that diagonally, and then you're gonna roll the bottom corner of the nori to the top of the nori to make your temaki hand roll, as seen here. Once the bottom corner reaches the top, just give it one roll, and here you have a temaki hand roll. To do your uramaki sushi roll or your hosomaki sushi roll, you're gonna grab a bunch of rice to make a rice ball about the size of a small tangerine. You're gonna take your rice ball and smash it across the nori from left to right, like seen here. Then you're gonna dampen your fingers and bring the rice down from top to the bottom of the nori, like seen here. You will have a space about 1 inch on the top of the nori that will be open, and on the bottom just about 1/4 of an inch. It doesn't have to be exact, but it has to be something similar to what we're showing. Next, take your bamboo mat, the flat side facing up and the strings facing you. Lay your nori and rice on the edge of the mat. Now, if you had ingredients, you could put your cucumber or fish in the middle of this rice. For this example, we're only practicing with rice and nori. Take your pointer finger and middle finger to hold the ingredients in the rice as you roll the nori from bottom to top, hitting that 1 inch space where there's no rice. Now you're gonna take your thumb and your middle finger on both your left and right hand to squeeze the sides of the sushi roll. As you take your pointer finger and squeeze and press down, you're making like a rectangle shape. As you can see, we have a rectangle and we have a little flap of nori. You just push the roll over 1 time, and then you repeat the process with your middle finger and your thumb and your pointer finger pushing down, making a rectangle or square roll, which looks like this. This will help when we're cutting our hosomaki or uramaki sushi roll. Wet your knife, the blade, with a little bit of water so that it helps to prevent the rice from sticking. Cut down the middle of your uramaki sushi roll. Wet your knife again and repeat the process. Now that you know how to do your hosomaki and temaki rolls, the uramaki roll is exact same as the hosomaki that you see we're cutting here. Uramaki uses the full sheet of nori, but it's the exact same process. Go ahead and practice with this. To learn how to do your own sushi night utilizing these 3 different rolls, click the video below. Aloha, guys.